With the release of Photoshop 2018, Adobe introduced a new feature: Select Subject. This happened in October 2017, Photoshop version 19. I use the Select Subject feature in many of my cropping scripts. Knowing the subject size helps the script decide how to crop the image. And some of my scripts use the selection to mask the image. Later, Adobe added another feature: the choice of Select Subject on the device or Select Subject in the cloud. This happened with version 23.5, the last update to Photoshop 2022. Users began sending me messages to ask how to use the cloud option in my scripts. There isn't a way from a script to choose which method to use, but there is a way for the user to choose which is the default. In Windows, go to the Edit menu, Preferences. For Mac OS, Photoshop menu on the left, Settings. Choose Image Processing. Here, the user can choose which method is used by default. I'll change the default to Device and try it. The device method is used, and the result is not as accurate. Change the default back to Cloud and try it again. The result is a little better. Now with the default set to Cloud, when I run a script that uses Select Subject, it uses the Cloud method. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.